Day 3, the big day. I decided to dedicate a few more hours of the night to more technical stock research and data observations, and it was looking very solid. I even came up with my own game plan for the next few days to really lock in and make this challenge a very big success. So I went to bed and then I realized something, that I still don't have a bed. Maybe after the stock market challenge, I'll finally have enough money to afford one. But in the meantime, I busted open my financial minimalist bed and went to sleep. With no hesitation, the stock market is officially open, and I wasted no time. Let the games officially begin. Welcome to day 3. And here we go, guys. Day freaking 3/4. So listen, guys. Listen very closely, guys. So it's been a very crazy past few days, okay? Last time we left off, I put in all my positions. Please do not watch this video if you haven't watched the first 2 videos, okay? The first 2 videos are way more important to understand before you watch the 3rd video. So it's going to be up here. Go watch that video first. Please don't waste your time watching this video. You will not understand it. It's like watching halfway through a series of a show and trying to figure out, put all the pieces together. Like, you don't even know what happened in the first episode. So do yourself the favor and go watch that episode ASAP. So anyways, guys, let's go ahead and get into the positions. What did I do? Did I buy? Did I sell? What did I do? And did I make money, or am I finally hitting the day where I'm not profitable? Let's find out. Let's get into it. First stock of the day, guys, we went and sold for $211 profit of Longview. And, it's been really dope. This stock, I was up, a couple percentage. So I'm finally selling this stock, and it's looking really nice. I'm up $211. I sold it out. And then now next stock that I got into fuel cell. So I saw this stock. It's been looking very good the past few days. And I was like, man, I really got to get into this stock. So I went ahead and purchased it for about $1,500 as a market order. So I bought the stock for $1,500 this morning, and I got into it. I knew it was a good stock because a lot of people were talking about it. So I was like, screw it, man. Let me just get into the stock. So I put in $1,500 in this position right here. The next stock I got into is ticker symbol MSTR. So this stock is very good too. I saw it was doing an upward trend. I was liking what I saw. So I went ahead and got into it. So I did another market order of getting into this stock for $1,500. And yeah, so I bought in at the average price of $273. We're going to see where that stock is right now. So I'm really excited to show you guys. This was earlier today. And yeah, and also, guys, I went ahead and sold my Tesla position. If you guys don't remember, I put in $3,400 yesterday, and now we made $91 on the day. We were up 5%, but I had to sell because the Tesla was actually kind of going down. So I didn't want to risk it and lose a lot of money. So I sold it for $101 because I bought the stock for $34, and now I sold it for $35.1. So yeah, awesome. And now I went ahead and did another market order. So I had the cash for sitting from Tesla, and I went ahead and made another order for United Airlines. So I bought in at the average share price of $45, and I bought in at $2,500. So I put in $2,500 into this stock. Another stock that I really seen, so the whole PS5 trend is going crazy. Sony's been killing it, the past month, and I really think their stock is going to blow up because of Black Friday sales. Everyone's going to want to get a PS5. Everyone's going to want to get the brand new, gaming setup, gaming system. So I went ahead and bought in Sony because I really think they're going to do really well on Black Friday, especially because, it's freaking PS5, Black Friday, best, day of the year to buy a gaming console. So I went ahead and got in a position at Sony for $1,300. So yeah, I got into Sony and at a market value of $92. So yeah, okay, now these are my positions that I made this morning. I'm so excited. I want to show you guys the positions that I hit. So what we've been able to do on day 3, guys. Are you excited? Because I'm so excited. I mean, this challenge has been very it's been crazy, guys. I'm not gonna lie, man. Like, I have so much, I can't even sleep sometimes at night because sometimes I feel like I think I'm missing something, and then the market opens and you have to wait up. Actually, sometimes the market just goes up and down really quickly in the middle of the night. So sometimes I just check my phone real quick at 3-4 a.m. just to see what happens. And yeah, guys, it's just been insane. So let's go get into the positions. How much money did we make today? And let's see if we were profitable, guys. What do you think? Do you think that we were profitable today? Let me know in the comment section below, guys. We're going to get into the positions right now. Let's freaking go. So here we go. I am finally in my Robinhood account, and let's check out how much money I made on the day. So right now I'm up $273, 1.8% on the day, which is not bad, guys. I was up actually $400 earlier today. So this is after hours, and sometimes after hours play around a little bit. So this is actually a really good position. At least I'm profitable, okay? So let's freaking go. Let's get into the positions and see what happened today. Obviously, guys, obviously if you know from the first and second episode, PSEC is not really a stock that we care about. So, that's just our free stock. Nikola is our, I don't even know what it's called. We don't use those stocks to trade. Those are just because we're really negative on those stocks and we just have them for fun. Microsoft, don't really care because we don't use it that much. Amazon, don't really care, don't use it that much. Snapchat, here we go. We got into Snapchat, up almost 3% on the day, guys. I'm up $50 on Snapchat. I'm probably going to sell it finally. It's looking really, really good on Snapchat. So I'm up $50 on Snapchat. This is our first stock. And if we go to NEO, so if you guys remember, I think yesterday, I don't know if you guys remember, but NEO, I put in a $6,000 position and it tanked. It went down really, really quickly. I was like, yo, bro, I think this challenge is over, ladies and gentlemen. But then it rallied up, guys. As you can see, the stock trend went up, up, up. It kept going higher and higher. And I was like, thank God, bro, because I was very, very scared. So NEO, we're up $84, only 1.4% on the day. And we're up a lot of money. So technically, it's doing really, really well for us. $84, it's 1%. But if we just get a 5% gain, guys, 5%, we'll make at least a good $500, $600 easily. That's like minimum. Anyways, guys, so NEO looking pretty solid for us. I mean, it's a stock that's just going to go up over time. If this 7-day challenge is done, after this 7-day challenge is done, I'm still going to hold this stock because I know it's going to be another Tesla. It's going to pop off. This is the Chinese competitor of Tesla, and they're doing amazing work, and they have a large market cap. And compared to where Tesla was at the same time of their development of their company, they're way ahead of Tesla. So Tesla was like the pioneer when it comes to electric vehicles. This is like the secondary person that saw everything that Tesla did, and they're just following in their footsteps, which I really think is a good opportunity because the Chinese market is also backing this company up. And I really think that China is really going to, fund this company because Tesla didn't get no funding from, the United States. They didn't get no incentives, but, NEO is going to get a lot of incentives from China. And I'm not a stock market expert or anything like that. I just, been reading and doing some research. So guys, I mean, if anyone's a stock expert, please don't get mad at me because I'm probably saying something inaccurate. This is just from my perspective. And if you guys remember Li Auto Inc., we took a fat L on Li Auto Inc. We're down 7%. We're down actually 11%. I don't really care because I only put $50 into the stock, which I'm so thankful for. So yeah, guys, it's a trash stock, but I mean, it's still, at the end of the day, I mean, okay, fine. We're down negative, $15. Anyways, guys, okay, fuel cell energy. Now, this is one of my big positions that I got into, like I said earlier. So now let's check out where fuel positions is and how much money we made on it. So we are up 10.7% on the day. Let's freaking go, guys. Let's freaking go. We are up $161 on the day alone. So it's looking very, very solid for us, guys. This is a fuel cell energy. I bought in at about, $1,500 and I'm already up $1,661. So I'm going to be selling this stock very, very soon as market opens. So fuel cell energy, let's go, bro. Profitable. Let's get it. And then MicroStrategy. This is MSTR, ticker symbol MSTR. We're up 10% on the day, almost 9.3%. And we are up 7% on the day on our end. Up $100 off a $1,600 investment, guys. We made our 10%. That's a lot of money. Not a lot of stock options traders or not even a lot of stock investors themselves could make those kind of returns. So think just considering all these kind of returns that I'm making on a consistent basis. This is day 3 and I've been trading, 4 or 5 stocks a day. And, it's been really, really crazy for me. I'm super happy that my portfolio is doing so good. I'm just blessed at this point, it's been half luck and half skill, you know what I'm saying? I look at what works, I look at what's trending, and then I buy it. I don't wait for the dips or anything like that. I see the stock, I see the potential going up, and I just get into it as soon as possible and try to, make as much money as I possibly can. So it's half luck and half skill. United Airlines, like I said, they're doing a really good, job, and airlines are finally picking back up. And I feel like the COVID vaccine, as soon as the COVID vaccine is officially announced, airline stocks and Carnival, the cruise line stocks are all going to jump up like insane amounts. So I really think this stock is going to be really good over the long term. Like I said, Delta Airlines, I made profit off that stock. It literally took a couple of days. Imagine if I waited a couple of weeks for these kind of stocks. So yeah, I'm up about 0.75% on the stock alone. Like I said, just give me a couple of days with the stock and see what happens. I might sell it. I don't know. I put in $2,500 into United Airlines, so we're gonna see what happens with the stock. I think it's gonna do pretty well, but who knows. Sony is another one that is really, really good, guys. Like I said, the whole Black Friday thing is really going to pop off this stock, I believe. It's up 2.6% on the day alone, so I'm up $10. Not a lot of money, but I mean, it's still profit, guys. And these are my positions for the day. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see what happens. Okay, so for the last 3 days, I've been making consistent profits and haven't dropped and haven't sold a stock in a loss yet. I'm so excited, guys. It's been a crazy, crazy series, and this is just day 3. We have 4 more days to go, and I can't wait to see what happens, guys. I'm gonna show you the finished product. So far, we made a lot of money in profit. I think we made more than $1,000 so far, and it's been a very crazy series, guys. I hope you guys appreciate this video series and me putting $10,000 on the line for your guys' entertainment. I hope you guys enjoy stuff like this. Let me know what you guys think below. And also, guys, don't forget to drop your cash tag in the comment section below. I'm just gonna be giving people random money. These are the 2 winners from the last video. Like I said, I just give random people money. So if you want money, here's the 2 people that won. So I mean, you could be next. Just all you gotta do is really comment your name, and you could have a chance to win. Like I said, at the end of the day, I'm making a lot of money from the stock market challenge. It's been really, really profitable for me. So I want you guys to have the love too, have some money too. So I'm gonna go ahead and send some money your way if you just comment below, and make sure you guys are subscribed as well. So I'm gonna check. So anyways, guys, thank you so much, and it's your boy Ish, and we out. Thanks, bro. Let's go, baby. Day 3.
I got a stack on me, she throw it back on me. Sometimes I gotta go get on the road. I know I'm ballin', this money keep calling. I'm 23, I feel like to go. Fly to Miami and go and meet Sammy. You know that I never made love on a boat. I know that you doubted me, but you're not proud of me. I do not care, you still hate on the low. I come from bottom, I had a little dream. So